Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Picking up where we left off. I'm just finishing the final cuts here for the tile work. This is like driving the golden spike. Down here we got the last rotten, stinking corner to cut. Although the bathroom is certainly smelling a lot better. Like I said yesterday, I'm sealing the corners here, and then I'll also seal the base before I put the cove base molding on, and then I think that'll make it look very handsome. And then we'll mount the baby changing station here. I don't think we're going to put that shelf back. I've got a cabinet that holds more stuff in it. So I think that's going to be the key to happiness here. I wish I could put one of those plastic plates around it. They took the trim up too high. They took the wallboard up too high, so it wouldn't fit on there. You know, one of those plastic shrouds to protect the light switch. This place certainly took a beating. Certainly took a beating, but now it's getting a whole fresh new look. Looking sharp. No leaks, anything. Those nice shrouds give a nice finished detail. See you in a bit. Let's drive the golden spike. Guess what, guys? Every piece of tile is in place. And the corners have been caulked real well here, even down in the corner of Doom. So I'm going to take a little break here, and it's time to install the cove base molding around the floor. I have special adhesive with my caulking gun here to put that on. It performs a lot better than the stuff that's has the adhesive on the back of it. It doesn't perform as well. So this will give a nice watertight seal at the bottom here. So I think it looks pretty good. Looks handsome. All color coordinated, right? See you in a bit. Got the first piece of cove base down. It looks good. Handsome. That's going to help protect the tile in the wall. It's a nice chocolate brown. First corner set real well. Looking good, easy to work with. Just set it using the caulk out here. I don't know what this adhesive's called. 527 Ultra Bond. Coming along. It's really starting to look like a really nice bathroom, I think now. Nice chocolate brown cove base molding is all installed. It's looking pretty good. Now it's time to get on to doing the walls here. I got a little bit of sanding work to do to fill those holes. I'm hoping nobody's going to notice if I don't put up that horrendous shelf again there. You never know. Like I said, nothing ever gets thrown out around this. This place is unbelievable, but a lot of good stuff happens here. So I can't complain. So Father's out for the rest of the day, and I'm alone with the Lord. I'm going to go ahead and get this sanded, and I'm going to start cutting in the ceiling and down below. Check back with you guys in a bit. Cutting in's gone real well. Very subtle color change, but it more picks up the highlights in the tile down below. These walls are really filthy because you can't really see the switch. People have to reach in next to the cabinet, so it makes it kind of funky. Going good. Father's out, but he asked me to make sure this water jug stays filled. What a hot day. What a hot mess I am, huh? And how are you guys doing today? Well, it's nice and quiet when you got the whole joint to yourself. Although somebody did drop by some out-of-date stuff, which is nice. Right here, donuts and stuff. I don't know what I'm supposed to. They have some procedural thing they do with the donuts, but I haven't paid enough attention to know. With bags and bags of chips, cherry sours. It's kind of, I don't know what some of these bags. I guess they were split by knife, or I don't know. But anyway, it's kind. It's a guy rounding up from 7-Eleven. They do this all day, in and out all day long. Food galore. So I'm gonna call it a day today. I think we've really, look at how nice the walls look now. Everything's looking really good. I have to go ahead and get some top trim here. We're up on here. I tried to use the old trim, but it's not. It's too. I want to say it's too thin. You need more of a gap to go over top of this. But I think things have turned out real good. Tomorrow I'm going to remount the rest of the stuff in here. What else do I got to do? I don't know. Hardly think I'm starting to get tired on this mission, but I think it's looking really good. The finished detail is good, so I am happy today. And thank you guys for all of your wonderful support. Your contributions help make this remodel, a good 4-day remodel, possible. So yes, I have to put the cabinet together tomorrow too, so plenty of stuff still to do. And there she blows. Right there. Alright guys, thumbs up are appreciated. Enjoy your day. And as we always say around here, don't ever forget it. Life is short. Eternity is forever. Think about it. God bless everybody.